Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Silverado battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your truck is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Take a moment to locate the battery. It's usually under the hood, but some models might have it under the rear seat. Safety is paramount before you begin any work. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal first. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative post, then carefully remove the cable. Secure this cable away from the battery to prevent accidental contact. After that, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable in the same manner. This order is crucial for safety. With the cables disconnected, your next step is to remove the battery hold down. This could be a clamp, strap, or even a bolt that secures the battery in its tray. Use the correct wrench or socket to loosen and remove these components. Once freed, carefully lift the hold-down parts away from the battery. This ensures the battery is completely loose and ready for removal. Finally, it's time to lift out the battery. Batteries can be heavy, so consider using a battery lifting strap or handle for better grip and safety. Carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of its tray. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals. This helps ensure a good connection and extends the life of your new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.